So I'm going to give you only info about the strategy, not the full complete strategy. Like I said, it's strategy one as you've been waiting for it. Then my RM-THUCK'S market phase strategy workshop one. Workshop one, this is workshop 10, guys. Have to have 10 videos. So if you like and subscribe and share the Facebook page, let's go so that you can get a full strategy, because it will be workshop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then until to 10. So let's start with rules of an uptrend. So you will just make a very same example with downtrend. So everything is opposite. You just making downtrend and you make everything as the opposite. So we are looking for bullish reversals on supporting trend line. For example, here is a bullish reversal. Once the market start to correct towards our supporting trend line, we know that the market is going to reverse because it's forming a bullish reversals as an correction flag. Then you do know that after the correction, then or the reversals, then it's going to give us impulsive phase, then correction, then impulse. Okay. We look for bearish reversals on the resisting trend line. Here is a bearish reversal. After bearish reversal, we know that the market is exhausted. Once market is giving us swing lows and swing lows, swing highs at the same level, so we know that the market is already down. It's going to give us impulse and correction impulse. Okay, then we look for bearish continuation on the supporting trend line. Bearish continuation on the supporting trend line. We know that once we have bearish continuation, for example, impulse, then we know that the market is going to break the previous current structure, the overall structure, which was down uptrend. Then we know that the market is going to break once we have continuation pattern at the support or at the resistance. Okay, we look for continuation in the middle of the trend. Where the market rests, then that's where we have to have continuation patterns. As we can check, we had impulse correct reversals, then impulse correction, impulse. So where the market rests, we always have continuation pattern in the middle of our trend, meaning that if you took a buy here as a bullish reversal, you have to scale in here, then you have to exit once you see reversal. So you will have to trade along the trend until. Okay, let's go to market, guys. Let's go to market. I hope you understand the rules are very the same. You just place your stop loss under the corrections all the time. Stop loss under, on top, under, on top. Okay, I salute you guys. Let's go and check the analysis of the week. Oh, let's go. What's up, guys? This is your boy RM-THUCK'S. I'm going to upload the video before the training, then the weekly recap. Hope you guys enjoy the weekend. Every time, every week, every Friday, every Monday, they're going to upload the video for you guys to enjoy and check the weekly recap and the focus. So today we are focusing on the weekly focus, what's going to happen and what are we anticipating is going to happen this week. So let's check on NZD-USD. At NZD-USD, we had a higher time frame bullish impulsive move. As we can check here, we had impulsive move to the upside. Then we had continuation flag as a channel correction here. So based on my analysis, based on my strategy, I know after a first phase, then the second phase, I'm waiting for the third phase of the market, meaning that I'm still expecting another high time frame impulsive move after the breakout of this continuation. As you can check, if I zoom on my chart, then I can make the example of what I say. Then you can check here, we had impulsive phase, then correction. We are waiting for last impulsive phase of this smaller continuation or correction. For example, if we go back with our chart, I can still show you we had impulsive phase 1, phase 2 correction, impulsive phase 3. And then we had impulsive phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 as a correction, as an impulsive phase. So on NZD-USD, I'm just waiting. As you can check, my alert is on. I'm waiting for the breakout. Then I anticipate this market is still going to move impulsively without correcting to 0.74640. Okay, on NZD-USD, NZD-JPY. On NZD-JPY, I'm still looking for continuation pattern to fill up the structure. I the one who says this is not yet over. This is not the moment, the breakout of the momentum. The momentum is still on the bullish, as you can check, coming from impulsive move correction. Then we are waiting for another third phase of the impulsive phase to break out of the resisting trend line. For you to know that the resisting trend line is going to be broken, you have to wait for bullish continuation. If the resisting trend line is not going to be break, you have to wait for correction, continuation, reversal. Okay, reversal patterns as a bearish reversal on the resisting trend line. Then on NZD chart is still going down. The market is still going sharp, but it tested and then supported where it turned, the support turned into resistance. We are still looking for continuation, as you can check with impulse correction. You are waiting for last impulse of the market. Okay, NZDCHF. Okay, I'm just going to play all my chart, all my weekly forecasts. You just have to draw the very same chart to profit out. Then remember, this week we are using H4 week. Okay, for USDC chart, I'm still looking for the setup to be complete. As you can check, we have broken the previous channel. We have broken ascending channel with continuation correction towards our supporting trend line. Then we know that the market have to give us 90% rule, so we are waiting for it to give us impulsive move, meaning that this week is the first week based on my analysis, based on how I trade. NFP week, I don't consider it as a week. For me, new week is the week after NFP, so you have to trade cautiously on NFP week. But this week I'm going to trade full pop, full pips. Okay, I'm not going to trade less, I'm going to trade hard. As you can check, we are still targeting 15 signal in VIP2. As you can check here, for you to know that the market is going to support or to retest on a support or support that turn into resistance, you have to look for patterns. You have to look for bullish reversal or bearish reversal. Here we can check the market came sharply and retested our support that turned into resistance. So I'm still anticipating this market AUD is still going to push to complete the structure. Okay, then let's look on GBP-USD. We were in bullish, in bearish last week. We still did hit our target, so we anticipate the market have to reverse in a good way. Market have to give us something like inverse head and shoulder, but we hit our target. As you can check, I send the VIP members signal once after the breakout of this breakout, then breakout still in here with the breakout, and then corrected correctly, then gave us impulsive move, continuation correction, impulsive, continuation correction, impulsive. Then we are about to reverse. We are about to reverse on the GBP-USD. We are looking for buys this week. Euro GBP, guys, on Euro GBP, on Euro GBP. We're still holding last week's signal. We're waiting for it to complete structure, which is the very same continuation pattern on the higher time frame. Still waiting for it to complete. Okay. Then on USD JPY this week, we're still looking for continuation pattern. I'm waiting for it to come and tap here so that it can reverse, so that it can give us full setup to our resistance. GJ, guys, this week we are looking at GJ. You have to complete and then retest. This is my favorite pair. No one can tell me about the GJ. The GJ, I've been trading it since day one. I've been forex trading. Okay, I anticipate that as a bullish reversal on the support that turned into resistance, then the market has to push, and then it's going to give us impulsive move to the highs of 164987. Okay, then let's go to GBP AUD. On GBP AUD gave us false breakout, call it false breakout. It gave us false breakout this this previous week. So we are still looking at it as we want setup complete. My analysis doesn't pop up with network problem. So let's go to indexes. Dollar index this week, I'm still looking for the market to complete the setup. As you can check, I'm still waiting for market to break out of this current ascending channel. But let me make the alert so that I cannot miss this current trade. When it closing down, then I will know that once the market is giving me sharp impulsive move to the downside, then that's the time I'm going to sell the continuation outside the breakout, and I know that I have to sell. Then Nasdaq, guys, Nasdaq is going to feel, then we are going to feel it. Okay, Nasdaq respected our inside support that turned into resistance trend line, then it's going to be tested so that it can come to our supporting trend line. Just have to look for bearish continuation and bearish reversals, because there is no bullish anymore in this market. You just have to sell Nasdaq once the market open, then profitable for week. Then on gold, you are still on impulsive move since NFP gold to the up. So this is a nice bullish momentum, as I expected a head and shoulder after after NFP last week Friday, but it didn't happen the way I wanted. Still looking for another bullish momentum to complete our previous high. Okay. Then US 30 this week, guys. US 30 this week. US 30 this week, we are still waiting for another breakout so that it can give us another continuation. Then I will sell once the market break out of this new channel. That's the time I'm going to confirm that the sellers are in the market. Okay. S&P 500 move this the very same way how Nasdaq is moving. If you want to find the direction of Nasdaq, you have to analyze S&P 500. If both correspond, then you know that you need to be in the market. So I anticipate that this S&P 500 is still going to give me another bearish reversal pattern. Then that's the time I'm going to give me impulsive, then correction, then impulsive. Okay, I hope you guys understand. And then on silver this week, see nice setup as I send the signal with VIP members last week. We are still going to confirm and complete our structure. We are still going to complete, as this is a bullish continuation pattern. I'm waiting for impulse, and then it made the small one, and I'm waiting for impulsive move to the upside of the target of 28.00. Okay. Then on BTC USD, I'm still on the market. I'm still looking for breakout. Still in the market. I'm looking for breakout of